Okay, so we've started tear out. As you can see, we have a nice mess on our hands. So what happened here is you got the DITRA, and then the tile is stuck to the DITRA real good. Now, it's not actually, the mortar doesn't actually stick to the material. It goes into each of these little sections here. And the walls on them, you can't see it, but they're actually sloped this way and this way. So the mortar gets in, and then it kind of comes out, so that it's almost grabbing it. But the sheen on it allows the mortar not to stick to it, so it can move. And that's what makes DITRA so great, is that the mortar's not stuck to it and held on. It sits almost free and allows for movement. And that's why there's so many of these things. They're like basically individual pillars that allow for a floor, because your house still moves. No matter what happens, it'll always keep moving. This way, it'll move independently from the tile to the house. So you can see how much fun this is. So let's go at it and do a few more and show you how much fun it is to tear out. So you can see how all those little, I always like to call them pillars, were stuck down in there, and each one acts as its own little buffer. So it's a great system, and you can see how much fun it is taking out. But the good part is underneath it's a bit cleaner. And actually we'll be tearing this up, because this is a 1/4 inch board used for vinyl. Not good at all for tile. This has to go. We want to get right down to the floor. Not to the floor joist, but just to the subfloor, which in this case is the angled tongue and groove, and you'll get to see that in a little bit. All right, let's keep going.